Hiya everyone, today I'm not going to be doing a makeup look. I've decided to give my little skin a bit of rest because we did a lucky dip live last night and I put glitter on and getting it off it's hurt my eyelid, so I've got no makeup on at all I've done is brush my brows up. I've got a little bit of lip gloss on because I feel a little bit dry, but I've just let my skin breathe today. There's nothing on it. I've been in the garden sunbathing a little bit and talking to my sister, so I caught up on the phone with Helen, and I love talking to Helen because she's 4 years younger than me and we've got a lot in common, and it's lovely to catch up with her. So as soon as lockdown's over, she's coming over with her boyfriend for a barbecue and a drink in the garden, and I cannot wait. So right, the reason I'm on here today is we're doing an unboxing. I know who they're from, I don't know what's in them. These are from a girl called Jade, right? So there's 3 parcels here. She contacted us on Facebook, I would say it feels like a month ago, and she drew a picture of me, Martin and Jordan, like in cartoon black and white. It's lovely. I'm going to put the picture up on Instagram so you can see, and I'm going to tag her Instagram handle, so go and check her out. She's lovely. She also sent us a poem to coincide with this, so that got sent this morning, and honestly I was sat in tears. It was so beautiful. No one's ever wrote us a beautiful poem like this. I'm going to put the poem up on Instagram as well so you can have a look at that. She doesn't mind sharing it. She's going to make it bigger for us size wise, and I'm going to have it framed and I'm going to put it in my hallway because it is beautiful. It completely touched my heart this morning. Like I said, I was snuffling and trying to look through tears to read it. Beautiful. Right, so I've no idea what's in here, but I know some of you find these just as exciting as I do, and I know she's dying to see as well because I told her I'll be doing a video with it. She knows they've arrived, she's been tracking it, so hopefully I'm going to open the first one and see what's in here, and we'll have a look. Oh right, okay, so what we have got Brow Kit Shape and Define medium to dark. It's a Barry M. It includes mini tweezers, brilliant, because my eyebrows need plucking and mine are all slack and horrible. And now I do know James sending some tweezers, but you can't have enough tweezers. I like to have some on us, some in the house, some in the car, because I'm always finding bits and bobs that need to come out. So this includes double-ended applicator and some tweezers. Oh, that is so cute. Perfect. Jade, thank you. These are lovely. So we've got a little pack of brow and define. It comes with a little applicator brush. There's your little tweezers. I can't wait. Are they cream? No, they're dry. All right, so we've got a cream and a dry. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Thank you. That's excellent. I'm loving mucking about with my brows at the minute. I'm like a big kid. Like really, that is lovely. Thank you. Next one. Get these off. It's so lovely, the weather here today. That rainbow was beautiful on the live last night, wasn't it? I just had to show you it. Oh, what we got, right, let's see. Bless. Right, I'll put that on the floor. Oh, bless. You've been watching my videos, I can tell you've been watching my videos. Look what I've got. Rimmel Soft Coal Pure White. I said I needed these. I had a Gosh one and it just wouldn't, like it was good, but it didn't put on the colour. I can't wait to have a try of these. These are so thoughtful. Very thoughtful. I'm not kidding you. I have never, ever come across such beautiful people. Like, really. And it's mad because we don't know each other. And I know you can get a bit of a feel for me on the lives, and I get a little bit of a feel for you, but I don't get to see you, and it's different. There you go. That is super creamy. And there's 3 of them. I'm never going to run out. This is brilliant. Oh, it's like having a birthday. It's lovely. Thank you. They're brilliant. They are absolutely superb. Thank you. We're going here now. Big box. I've got a big box. Right. A second get into this one. Sometimes I faff on and I can't get into any of them, can I? You just must be thinking, God, open the box. Have you ever been to someone's birthday party and you're watching them open the present and they're taking forever and you just think, is it here? It's like that, isn't it? Just getting the bubble. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, woo. Right, okay. I am in my element. Okay, you ready? It says on the card, enjoy your gift from Jade. And I will enjoy my gift. Look at this. It's a little bird colouring book. I absolutely love these little colouring books. When I wasn't well a few years back, I found massive comfort in colouring these in, and I've got like big ones that are half filled in with felt tip pens, and absolutely love colouring in these. This is brilliant. That is beautiful. This is so thoughtful. It's lovely. And then oh, oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Little box of pencils. I love old tins as well, like this. I can keep them nice and safe. Oh, Jade, this is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I love colouring in. I'm proper arty farty. This is just, you know, it's you know me so well. It's weird. It's crazy. Oh, wait till you see this. Now this has come at the right time in the month, Jade, and you'll know what I mean. I'm going to show you first. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Jade, these are fantastic. I love lid. At work, we'll get a supplier who sends a bar of this with like a shipment, and I love putting that order in, and it only comes at like once every 4 weeks or something. But sometimes I send big boxes and we'll all fight over it, and now I've got my own 2 big boxes, and it's mad because you could easily go to the shop and buy one, but it doesn't feel the same as when it's gifted. It's like I'm allowed to eat it now because I haven't gone and bought it and that, so I'm over the moon with that. That is brilliant. I've got 2 more things to show you. This, oh wow, okay. So we've got Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. Oh, now I don't have a waterproof. It's a blue. This is lovely. Look at that. It's like a proper aqua blue. That is so smooth and creamy as well. And it's got like a stubby bit at the back so we can blend it. I love that. I love the colour. I love anything blue or turquoisey. This is just great. And then this is really exciting because I have a couple of lip balms now, but these would be ideal for when I go back to work, so I can keep them on us because my lips don't half get dry with the tile dust. So we've got these little lip balms, tinted lip balms as well, so I can wear lipstick at work. Nobody thinks I'm trying too hard and wearing lipstick for people. I can get away with it. I can put the little tinted lip balm on. Oh, I've got, they're lovely. They're really lovely colours, these. Don't know if you can see in there. And then I bet they've got a taste to them. I bet they taste like plum as well. Oh, and raisin. Look at them. Oh, Jade, these are lovely. Thank you. Really. Super, super. And I know you're watching because you knew I was going to make the video. I really love these. I love the poem and I love the drawing. I think the drawing's fab, but Martin and Jordan loved it as well. We're putting it on my passage. We're going to get it framed and put it on my passage. So if you've got a full format of that as well on your computer, because I know you're going to send the poem over properly. If you've got a full version of that I can print out and keep the quality, that would be great because it's getting framed. Because these things make so much to me when you send us these things. It's like the bits of jewellery and like the rings Ingrid made. They're just fantastic, really are. Love, love, love. This is fantastic. Thank you so much, Jade. I really, really appreciate it. And I can't wait to play about with these. And I've got a nice thick white liner now. And I'm going to enjoy this tonight after dinner. Yes. And I'm going to enjoy it guilt-free because I didn't go out and buy it. It came to us. So it's got to be eaten. Yeah? Right, I shall see you on a bit. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Next one is going to be a makeup look. Something peachy. Peachy. Yes, peachy, because I watched the King Bob, the one I did the collab with, he's done a picture on Instagram just recently, a tutorial, and it was peachy and it just inspired us. It's spring, it's coming up to summer, I'm doing something peachy and sparkly. So I hope you stay tuned for that. I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.